Is there an easy way to clean mini blinds? Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned, I'll explain.
Well, I heard a good way to clean these blinds is in a bathtub, so I decided to give it a try. Unfortunately, my bathtub was too small. What do I do now? Well, I figured if water is the trick, I'm just going to truck these outside and use a hose. And that's what I'm doing right here. My secret ingredient is this stain remover, this carpet stain remover, and it seemed to work pretty well. After giving the blinds a good bath, I found a convenient place to set them out to dry. Okay, the question is, does this method really work? And the answer is yes. It wasn't perfect, but I would say about 75% cleaned, and I touched them up a little bit with a clean towel, and it was pretty decent.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, there is an easier way, and you don't even need a bathtub. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody. Is my bath ready yet?